to another episode of Hashtag Vlogger. So for today's video, I will be doing an unboxing video. This is very special kasi I was tapped by a brand to collaborate with them, and very happy that finally I received the package from them and we will be unboxing it. So if you guys are interested and if you guys want to know more about it, please keep on watching. Okay, so I think last Tuesday, tama ba? I think, yeah, last Tuesday, dumating yung package from China. It's this one. Haan nyo ako na i-unbox itong GalaxyAlfa. So, I'm really thankful to be given an opportunity by GalaxyAlfa to represent their brand para maipakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga products that they offer and what they got. You can actually check out their webpage, www.galaxyalfa.com, and you can check out the products that they offer, and they also have international shipping. So, ito, pinadala nila sa akin noong first week of May pa yata, but finally na-receive ko na siya dito sa Pilipinas. Syempre, I think it takes 2 weeks bago ma-receive yung package if it's an international package. So, sobrang happy ako. And let's see kung okay ba yung product. So, wait lang. Okay. So, ito yung package niya. As you can see, it's well packed. Ayan, safe and sound. Ayan, so let's open it. And so GalaxyAlfa is an international brand, modern and stylish projectors. So alam naman natin ngayon na nauuso to sa Pilipinas, 'di ba, yung mga projector that will give you a different taste of your house or of your surrounding. So ito, they can transform your home instantly. So, you can really relax. They give you a galactic experience of stars, lights, and colors. So, I like the box. Yan, ayan yung box. Ngayon ko lang din siya nakita. So, ito yung box. It says here, transform your home instantly. And it says here all the specifications. Tapos, nandito ulit yung brand, the picture of the product. And nandito yung model, manufacturer, and address sa kabilang side. So yung frontal box is this one. As you can see, it's a picture of a girl looking at the stars. So parang it gives me a vibe of a galaxy. So let's see kung ano yung laman sa loob nitong box na to. Sobrang happy ako to be given an opportunity to be part of their team, to be their brand ambassadress. And if you want to purchase one, something like this, it's actually perfect for a gift. Or if you want it for yourself, you can use my code. It's here. So you can get discounts when purchasing this UFO or Galaxy One Projector. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay. are the legs of the product. Kasi nga, di ba, parang ganito yung itsura niya. Yan siya. So, ito yung legs para tumayo yung projector. So, apat siya. Ayan. Upon seeing the product and touching it, it's very lightweight. So, hindi ka mahihirapang buhatin. But it's a little bit big compared dun sa isa pa nilang product. Ang alam ko kasi meron sila nung parang mas handy, mas maliit, and walang legs. So, ito siya. Yung design is very minimalist. Meron lang siyang two colors, white and blue. I think they also have it in black and white. Nandito yung buttons. Basically, that's how you'll operate this item or itong projector. Tapos, sa apat na sides niya, nandito yung laser aperture. It says here, laser aperture, kung saan lalabas yung ilaw and magpa-project yung ilaw sa walls within your room. And of course, dito rin nagre-reflect yung ilaw. Or if you want to change the colors, dito siya nangyayari. And then, at the back part, you'll see this one. It says here, yung mga hindi dapat gawin, yung caution, of course, with the yellow sticker. And these are the built-in speakers. So, pwede mo siyang i-connect sa Bluetooth and then automatically magpe-play na yung music dito or any sound that you want to play. And they also have built-in na sounds. Say, for example, gusto mo ng mga pampatulog for babies or yung mga sound effects sa mga starry night, ganyan. Meron na rin siya dito. The good thing about this is that it's very user-friendly. So, if hindi ka techie na tao tulad ko, you can easily get how to use this product. These are the buttons, and ito pala yung mga ports. So, ito yung ports for the USB, I think, kapag i-charge mo siya. And then, this is the port for DC 5V2A. Or, ito siya. Ito yon, trinay ko, and it works. Dito siya. Magamit. Ito yon. And this is the power button, on and off niya. At the same time, nandito rin yung mga buttons niya, like, of course, yung playback, and then yung play and pause, and then the type of music if you want to choose, and then the LED, and then the next one would be the moonlight with the stars. I think if you want to change, like tanggalin mo yung moon, power on and off button, and this one is the voice control.
Bluetooth mode.
Want to relax and have like a different experience in your home or different vibe sa bahay nyo, And of course, if you want to feel like you're in an indoor camping, you can use this product. Purchase it at www.GalaxyAlfa.com. Link down below, and I'm also giving out my code. So if ever you want to get a discount, you can use it. Let's move on now to the smart app. It's called Starlight. Download mo lang siya. You can check out the QR code. Nasa manual naman siya. It's over here. So, page 5 ng manual. Nandito yung QR code. You just have to scan the QR code and i-direct na kayo dun sa app. Allows you to take full control of your Galaxy. Just one switch you can change and you can see a different universe just by using their smart app. My vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you very much GalaxyAlfa for giving me this Galaxy One Projector and for trusting me to represent and introduce your product here in the Philippines. Again, as I've said, they offer international shipping, so no worries guys kasi pwede naman siyang ipaship. This is $79.99 from $129 or $130. So malaki na yung discount. Plus, if you're gonna use my discount code right here, you can get another discount. So you just visit their page. I hope you'll enjoy this Galaxy One Projector much as I do. So again, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. If you guys have any comments, questions, messages, or feedback, you can always comment down below or message me. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you also GalaxyAlfa.